Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi everyone. In this video, let us look at chart level calculated fields in Google Data Studio. In our previous studio, we have learned about creating calculated fields for data source level. Please watch our previous video for a clear understanding. In this video, let us see how to create calculated fields for charts. That is for a specific table or any other kind of chart. I have already generated two tables here. The first table indicates the product line and the total price collected for each product line. Let us create a new column for this table which will indicate the total tax collected for each product line. In order to create a new column of text data type, go to Add Dimension. In order to create a new column of numeric data type, go to Add Matrix. Since tax is a numeric data type, I will click on Add Matrix, create field, give the new column name as tax. Let us consider the tax as 5%. So 0.05 into the existing column name. Apply. This creates the new column for this table. This column is not added to the data set. See, we cannot see any column as tax. It is created only for this particular table. Hence, it is known as chart level calculated field. Let us see an example of creating text data type calculated field. The second table indicates the payment options available. Let us create a new field known as payment type and give e-wallet type A, cash type B, and credit card type C. Since it is a text data type, click on Add Dimension, create field, give the name as payment type. Write the formula in this box. We have learned that every function block starts with case and ends with end. In between, write the function. Payment equal to e-wallet, then type A, when payment equal to cash, type B, when payment equal to credit card, then type C. The green tick mark indicates that the formula is correct. Click on Apply. This creates a new column payment type for this chart, that is for this table only and not for the data source. This is all about calculated fields for chart level. Thank you.